Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to sign in on this device problem on Cash App. So guys, if you're trying to sign in your account on your Cash App in your iPhone but you're facing this problem and you are unable to sign in your Cash App account on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. First of all, go back to your home screen. And from here drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Tap on settings, and from here you have to scroll it below, tap on general, and from here tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of your software in your device. After this, scroll it below, tap on iPhone storage, scroll it below, tap on Cash App and offload your Cash App for one time, and you have to open your App Store, search here for Cash App, and now download the latest version of Cash App in your device and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then open any browser in your device and search here for support.cashapp. So as here you can see this, tap on this and now tap on Cash App support, and from here scroll it below, tap on contact support and now scroll it below again, and from here you have to simply call on this number to get any kind of support regarding this problem. So I simply dial this number, and after this hopefully they will try to help you within 24 hours to fix this problem on your device. So after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.